Hi everyone, welcome back to the Excel for Beginners course. Today, we're going to learn a super handy skill in Excel, how to use AutoFill to enter data automatically, saving you time and effort.
Let's get started.
First, imagine you need to enter a sequence of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to type them all manually. Just enter the first two numbers, select them, and drag the little square at the bottom right corner of the selection. Excel will auto-complete the sequence for you. It's that simple. This works with dates too. For example, if you enter one date like 01 to 2025, select it and drag down, Excel will fill in the next dates automatically. So to 01 to 2025, 0301 2025, and so on. For days of the week like Monday, just enter the first day, drag the fill handle, and Excel will generate Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. It even works for months. Just enter January and February. Select both and drag the fill handle down. Excel will continue the sequence with March, April, and so on. AutoFill is an incredibly powerful tool to save time when working with sequences, lists, and repeating data. You'll love how much faster you can get your work done. Try it out, practice a few examples, and you'll master it in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Check the description below for practice exercises that you can download to follow along. Let's keep learning together.